Welcome to another Vellum tutorial. Today we're going to talk about page borders. With a custom page border, you can add decorative flourishes to the margins of your book. Page borders are a fun way to add a bit of flair to your book while still keeping the text legible. Let's get started. To add a custom border, first locate the background and border feature style. To do this, navigate to the Styles pane. In the style you've selected for your book, press the Configure button. Then select Background and Border from the list of style features on the left. Now press Create Custom. Here we see a dialog that allows you to choose what kind of background or border to create. Select Page Border and press Create. After creating a custom border, you'll see a set of controls that allow you to add an image and configure how it appears. To change the layout of your border, use the page span and image extent controls. Page span specifies whether the image takes up a single page or spans an entire two-page spread. Image extent determines how much of the page is filled by the image. When a border spans a spread, full bleed will automatically be selected. To add an image, click the widget to choose one from your files. You can use a border to decorate the top, bottom, and outside margins of pages. In this image, margins are rendered in blue. The inner text area is inaccessible by borders. Vellum will automatically exclude any content from this area of your image. So make sure any artwork you create does not include content in this area. To add borders to multiple margins, you can use an image that is the same size as the page. For best results, you should provide an image that matches the ideal size for your setup exactly. If you need help getting an image to the exact size recommended by Vellum, click the plus button to create a template. Alternatively, you may want a border on only one side of the page. To add a border to just the outside margin, you can use an image that is tall and narrow, like this one. This artwork should be the same height as the displayed ideal size, but can use a narrower width. Let's take a look at how this border looks in Vellum. As you can see from the information that appears when I hover my cursor over the image widget, this image is the height recommended by Vellum, but it uses a narrower width. The mirror on left side control will flip your image horizontally when it appears on the left side of a page spread. This can be useful for border images that are directional, like this one. When you provide a narrow or short image, Vellum will display a position control, which you can use to align your image to the top, bottom, or outside edge of the page. When you add a short image, like this one, you can use this control to add borders to the top or bottom of the page. Congratulations! You now know how to add borders to your book. If you have questions, feel free to contact us. The best way to do this is to go to the main Help menu and select Contact Vellum Support.